Good morning, evening, or afternoon. I am the Mainly Digger. This video is, I do a lot of metal detecting in this video. All in Waterville, Maine. There's a park I go to, well, it's not a park, I go to North Street soccer fields, which there's a park next to it, so it's just one big park, really. But there's soccer fields, and it's right after soccer season, so you'll see. Well, I found some of these, you'll see. It was a short trip, so I didn't stay long. And then there's another location in the south end of Waterville, which apparently wasn't detected much at all, and which is awesome. So I found some change there, and just cool locations, small locations around Waterville that I always pass. Well, I mean, North Street I've been to before, but like the other park, I just always pass by, and I'm like, man, I'm gonna stop. And finally I did stop. Another thing is, and it's kind of life update, is I passed my Part 107, which is the commercial drones pilot license. It's a federal license, so I can call myself a pilot now. I'm still waiting on the background check to be completed. Not really worried about that. And it's taking a while though. So I'm like, man, I want to work. I want to make money off the drone, just a little bit. Maybe make my money back off the drone. So I'll throw some videos in there of drone footage of me playing around, trying to better my skills. Anyway, Mainly Dig out. Oh, another penny, 1980, at another park in the south end, well kept. I pass it every time and I never stop, so I decided to stop. Today was a good day to stop. Oh, yep, that is a quarter from 1980, looks like 1980 something. We'll have to look. Dime from the 80s. Making bank. I can go buy a soda right now. That is a penny from 1961. I was thinking it was kind of crusty, got excited, but it's from 1961. 1985, another penny. I'm gonna have to come back to this place. Yeah, first find of the day. First time I stepped down. 3 pennies. 2 are American, and I'm guessing from the 90s. And then 1 is Canadian, and it's from 1986. Love Canadian coins, Canadian pennies. That's what I haven't found anything else from Canada, coin-wise. I am at the North Street soccer field, I guess. Alphon Park in Waterville, Maine. and did some drone stuff, and now I'm doing a little bit of detecting. This is right after soccer season, and it's kind of paying off right now. Kind of like it. So another penny. So I'm guessing this is a spill, coin spill. So I found the first like 3 in this area, and then I found this one right there. So I'm guessing someone was playing soccer, or someone was being a goalie and trying to catch balls. So, and they fell. My deductions. I'm just recording this moment. Yes, I found a quarter, but that is the first time, I think in a long time, that I just dug the hole and it was right there. I didn't have to go digging, I didn't prodding, I didn't have to do anything. It was right there. That's awesome. It is a quarter from, I think the 90s, yeah. 1994. I just think that's still cool. Anyway. Well, I found somebody's car, whatever you want to call it, fob, whatever it is. What I'm trying to do, or what I'm doing actually, succeeding, is, if you look, there's a white line, you can't see it, but this is always where the shade is, and this is where everybody sets up. It's in the shade. It's like everybody sits where they set their home base. And you look, and there's the fields out there. So the kids play over there and they'll move. But they'll sit on the sidelines, this is the sideline, and drop stuff when they sit down. Hopefully I'll find it. In today's lesson, folks, let's check your gear before you leave your truck. So what happened is, I put that extra weight, the cord from the headphones, and it unscrewed it. Unscrewed the bolt or screw that was in there. And so, I'm heading back, go back to my truck, and just see I'm missing something kind of important. And yeah, so now I'm missing the screw, which is replaceable. I have screws at home, but I can't really replace this. I mean, I could. I have other cuffs at home, but lesson learned. Maintenance and check your stuff before you leave your vehicle. Silly me.